Hello, hello. This is Eric Jones again. Boom! It's coming to you again from Vegas. I'm still down here. I'm still pumped. This is the fourth video in the series. I told you guys about it before. Down here in attending the Vision Conference is the first initial launch of the company, iBüümerang. Anyway, the video I'm going to bring to you today is actually a tutorial on how to send out the Idecide video. The Idecide is like an interactive video with all the information that the prospects would need to make a decision whether they want to join the business as a travel savings ambassador, TSA, or whether they want to be a customer or they're not interested. Whichever they decide to do is great. If they are not interested, you just ask for a referral. But for the most part, people are either going to partner with you or either they're going to want to be a customer. So just take a time to look at this video, share it with your team, go step by step over it, use it. It's duplicatable. The premise is you just send out a video link. Anybody can do that. You don't have to be versed in the business. You don't have to talk a lot. Just send them a video. Ask them first, of course, so they want to learn more about saving money when they travel. Ask permission for you to send them the video. Once they give you the permission, then you just send them the Idecide. So just watch it over again. Watch it once, watch it twice, watch it 3 times if need be. So anyway, this is a way for us to be proactive in the marketplace. Send out your boomerang. So you take care, take charge, and I will definitely see you at the top. Boom!